I'm Daria. Hi, welcome to Summer Season 3, and this season we're doing snacks and ladders. Snacks and ladders.
We're calling it snacks and ladders because these are snacks for moms to make for kids to take to school. Right, Daria?
Yes.
Okay, so today we're going to do something really interesting. We're going to cook bananas. Pan cinnamon bananas.
Pan cinnamon banana.
Have you ever had cooked bananas?
No.
Okay, so basically it's a really simple recipe. We just have 3 ingredients to follow, and the ingredients are
Bananas, brown sugar, cinnamon.
Okay, Daria, you ready to start?
Yes.
I just want you to put 2 spoons of brown sugar in a bowl. Can you just grab, yes, that spoon works. Just put 2 spoons.
2.
A little bit more. Okay, and then you just need to put a little bit of cinnamon. Okay, I'll tell you how much and then you put it in. There you go. Can you mix it for me?
Sure.
Do you like the smell of brown sugar, Daria?
I'm smelling it.
So brown sugar gives it a little caramelized texture when you cook it up, and you'll see that it's nice and brown. And of course it's healthier than white sugar any day, so you can also use cane sugar here if you'd like. Okay, that's it. Thank you. So now that you have this mixture, we're going to take this and we're going to cook the bananas in this with a little bit of butter.
Okay.
Okay? All right, let's go. Alright, here we have caramelized the bananas. So basically they'll have a nice sticky caramelized texture when you're cooking it. The brown sugar becomes like a caramelized texture and it's kind of starts separating from the banana, so you have to keep scooping it up and putting it back, and then when you turn it, the same thing happens. You have to scoop it up and put it back, and then you kind of get this brownish texture on top. As a garnish, you can always just add a little bit more of the brown sugar. Alright, Daria, you ready to try it?
Sure.
Okay, here, take a fork. Be careful, it's hot. Stick your fork in on top. Yes, blow it. What do you think, Daria?
Wow, Mama, I really like it.
You do?
Yes.
What is there not to like about this? It's caramelized banana. It's got a whole bunch of brown sugar in it. But of course, it just makes the regular banana fun and healthy to eat. So if you want to have this even as a dessert, you can. And you can always add your toppings, of peanuts or anything else that you'd like to put on top. All right, that's all the time we have for today. Bye for now.
Bye.